Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the topic conjunctions. As I have given you some idea about the same in our previous live session as well. Today we will discuss the term conjunction in detail. So let's get started. Conjunction. A conjunction connects words or groups of words or short sentences. Basically, what do you understand by the term conjunctions is that conjunction is a word basically that connects group of words, short sentences to each other, right? So it acts as a conjunction or as a connecting word between two sentences या group of words. Okay. Now the words like and, but, or, because, and, if, these all falls under the category of conjunctions. We all call them as conjunction or connecting words. I have explained why they are called so because they act as a connection between group of words, right? So we call them as a connecting link, connecting words, right? Now we will understand the concept conjunction in detail by examples, through examples. The first example for the same is Annie gets up early. She goes to bed early. These are the two sentences. Annie gets up early is the one sentence or group of words. Second short sentence is she goes to bed early. These are two different sentences. But we will connect these two sentences by making use of conjunction in between these two sentences, right? So it becomes Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early. Okay. Now next, is it Thursday or Friday today? So here we are making use of or to connect these two sentences. Okay. Next, if you work hard, you will succeed in life. अगर आप वर्क हार्ड करोगे तो आप ज़रूर सक्सीड करेंगे लाइफ में. So these are the some examples of different conjunctions so that you would be able to understand it in a better way. The dog is a faithful and intelligent animal. So here connecting word is and. Okay. Now come to page number 116, book A, grammar station conjunctions. I have explained the concept conjunction. ठीक है, I will read the passage for you. Lee played football all weekend and forget to do his homework. He wondered if he should skip school tomorrow or sit up late and complete his work. He sat up all night on Sunday as he had to complete it. He woke up late on Monday. He was upset because he was going to be late for school. He asked his mother to write a letter of excuse. His mother refused to write it since it was Lee's fault that he did not do his work on time. So Lee went to school late. But luckily for him, the teacher did not scold him. Lee thanked his luck. Okay. So this is a passage about a child who plays football all weekend and forget to complete or wrapped up his homework. So he was quite afraid and he asked his mother to write an excuse note on his behalf so that he won't get scolded by his teacher. So his mother refused to write because it was all Lee's fault that he has not completed his work on time, but luckily what happened, the teacher did not scold Liz, okay, and he was all happy. It's just the stroke of luck. Okay, now here you can see some of the words in bold, right? And, or, because, but, as. So these all are the connecting words or conjunction used in the passage. Now I have explained the definition to you. I have explained it. I hope that it is very much clear to you. You don't have any doubt about the term conjunction. A conjunction is a word that links words, sentences and phrases. Okay. The conjunction and is used to connect two things or ideas basically. But you make use of but to show a contrast between two things. Okay, comparison. Choice is basically in between two things or two ideas, and because you use to give a reason for something, to give a reason for something, you make use of because there. Okay. So in first question, page number 116, the question asks us to circle the conjunctions. In the first sentence, you can see the conjunction and is used. I saw a penguin, a whale at the zoo. These are the two sentences. We connected these two sentences by making use of the word and in between these two sentences. Okay, the second one is Ankush had two toys, but now here you can see the contrast between two things. He did not want to share them with his brother. So here you can see but is the another conjunction. Okay, I hope that it's clear and rest is your homework. Now come to question number 2. Complete each sentence using because, as and since. आपने सिर्फ इन तीनों वर्ड का यूज़ करना है एंड यू नीड टू कंप्लीट दिस सेंटेंसेस. ओके. E. Ganesh swam fast. Dash. He wanted to win the competition. So you will make use of because here. Right. Now you will make use of as and since in order to complete the rest of the part or blanks. Complete these sentences. Third one is you need to complete these sentences. Half sentence is given to you. Conjunction is also mentioned here. Now you will complete the sentence by giving the another situation to the sentence, right? Rajesh had two sweaters. Rajesh has two sweaters. Now you will complete the sentence after but. राइट. राजेश के पास 2 स्वेटर्स हैं लेकिन वो छोटे हो गए हैं, यू कैन से, राइट, बट दे आर यूजलेस नाउ बिकॉज, बट दे आर यूजलेस, है ना, बिकॉज दे आर यूजलेस. राजेश हैड 2 स्वेटर्स बट दे आर नॉट विथ हिम. लेकिन उनके स्वेटर्स उनके पास अभी नहीं हैं, राइट. So in this way you need to complete the whole sentences. Okay. I hope the topic conjunction is clear to you. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me in our live sessions or make a direct contact to me. Give it a reading and if you face any dilemma, ask me. Till then, bye and take care.